You can play it, the cooler this is going to be. 1, 2, 3. Shh. Let's go ahead and play with the track, okay? Here we go. Here we come in. Shh. 2, 1, 2, measure 7, measure 8, 13, 14, here's 15, 1, 16, here we come in, third finger, keep that fourth finger down. Okay. How'd that go, y'all? Go ahead and unmute. Were there any surprises? Could you hear everything? Okay. Seems pretty good. I'm only seeing a few, y'all, because of how the video's working. Okay, here we go. From the top. Mystical Mage. 1, 2, measure 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Measure 7. Measure 9. 10. 11. 12. 15's where the violins go crazy. There we go, 17. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Eighths. 63. It's our big solo. Count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Better, Genevieve? Helpful? Okay, good. All right. Well, since we're here, let's back up and let's just do the one I got in order. We'll do Storm the Castle next. Okay. And it's on repeat, so I'll just have it playing and we'll do it twice at least, okay? This thing is a little faster than that. So give me a thumbs up when you got Storm the Castle ready to go. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Do you want my cello louder? Do you want the track softer?